Hi, I'm Jess.
And I'm Raj, and we're members of the Sierra Club, Angeles Chapter Central Group.
We've been zero waste for about a year now, and it's definitely been a huge learning experience. It required a lot more planning in general, so everything from doing your laundry to grocery shopping to cooking and not doing takeout anymore required a lot of planning. And it took us, I think, probably 6 months to figure that out, and it was basically undoing, 30-something years of habit and trying to develop a new habit and trying to understand where we could adjust our lives accordingly to be able to be more zero waste, to be more environmentally friendly. We made this decision first because I thought it would be the easiest, and it was switching out our paper towels that we would use for everything, for wiping down counters, for napkins. And we'd use it once and then we'd throw it away. So we actually replaced all of our paper towels with either rags for countertops or cloth napkins for napkins, which has been really nice because when we host dinner parties now, it looks nicer than just folding up a paper towel.
So we had to change our whole grocery shopping routine and figure out what works best. And we didn't want to shop 100% of the farmer's market because that gets expensive. So figuring out where we can buy vegetables that don't come wrapped in plastic, which was our local Northgate or Superior, which is a Hispanic grocery chain that has extremely cheap produce. But then we're tackling where there's internal struggles about where that produce is coming from and where is it being sourced from.
The challenges always seem like they're hard from the very beginning because it's things like forming new habits. It's just like, okay, New Year's resolution, I'm gonna work out every day, every morning for half an hour. That always seems hard in the beginning, but once that becomes a habit for you, it's obviously a lot easier. So I think while these challenges may seem tough, like planning ahead and making sure you bring all your bags to grocery shopping, after a few routines of that, it just becomes like second nature. So it no longer feels like a huge chore or a huge challenge to be doing these types of things. It becomes habit, and a lot of times we don't realize that we're just doing these things out of routine anymore. To learn more about Sierra Club Central Group, visit us on Facebook at Sierra Central LA.